Sandakan Airport is a domestic airport located in Sandakan, Sabah, Malaysia, about 14 kilometers west of the town center. After landing, follow the other passengers into the terminal building. Look for the domestic arrival signs and head to the baggage carousel to collect your luggage. Once you exit the baggage claim area, you'll see people standing along the railing, waiting for arriving passengers. Walk a little further and exit the arrival hall. Outside, you'll notice a line of cars waiting for pickups. At this point, simply send a message to your dispatcher. Your car will move forward from the end of the line, and you just need to look for the vehicle details shared with you in advance. Your dispatcher will already have confirmed the number of passengers and luggage and even sent trunk photos to make sure everything fits comfortably. They'll also keep you updated in real time. After loading your luggage, you can head straight to your hotel for check-in or start exploring Sandakan with visits to places like the Crocodile Farm or nearby jungle resorts.